This is my Pulse Induction metal detector. It's a clone Pulse Induction AVR metal detector. Pretty much I bought it as a kit, and I added a few things to it. Came with some really nice schematics on building it, instructions, how to program it, nice schematics. Very cool. Thank you for the manufacturer. I bought this off of eBay from Ukrainian source, from the Ukraine. Anyway, so there's the screen. These are just my momentary switches. I changed to these. I'm going to put this in a housing, so I needed everything to be out and be able to be mountable. It's running off a 11.1 zippy battery pack. Just from one of my RC crawlers. I added in a 12 volt power source, external plug. It's the on-off switch, headphones, speaker. It's a switch for the speaker, so I can turn it on and off if I want to and just use headphones. Then I used a power supply plug-in from a computer, trimmed it down, and soldered it into a connector. And then I made my own coil, which is just several wraps of copper wire soldered onto the two leads from the cord. So here, I'll turn it on for you. It's a little squawky. Zeroing it. So here's just a newer quarter. Here's just a little newer dime. Not quite as strong a signal, but it's there. Here's a big 6-ounce prill of pure copper. It's a good foot, a little over a foot, foot and a half away. Here's the end of my board. Here's a prill, a big old chunk of silver, or lead, actually. Really sets that sucker off. It gets a reading at about a foot. And then here's just a nice chunk of solid silver. Noisy little sucker. Anywho, so yeah, this is what I've been working on. This is all going to go inside of a housing, so it won't be a big old pile of guts sitting here like this. And it'll be more workable and manageable. And then obviously I made this, can unscrew and detach. And that way you could change it out and make whatever coil I want. The goal is to make a huge coil, probably about the size of this table, just to give you an idea. It's a decent sized table. I want to make something with wheels that I can drag through large fields, and then I can just pick up a whole signal within that field, and then I can take one of my other metal detectors after marking the spots all through the field and go back and just detect them with my littler metal detector so I can clear more space. So I'm probably going to make this into a small box that can be mounted on like a strap or something, or put like on the device on the handle, similar to a wagon with a big hollow bottom. Probably just plastic wheels, plastic PVC tubing with a plastic handle, and make it all plastic with a giant huge coil the size of the table inside the tubing. Most likely. We'll see how it works. I don't know how many wraps I'll have to do and whatnot, but I'll figure it out. Anyway, I'll share more when I'm done.